Hi, I'm Jeff from Rokform, and today we're going to do an unboxing of our new magnetic wireless charging stand. So we'll get a close-up here and we'll take a look at what's in the box. So this is how it'll come to you when you order. It has a little tab here where it says Rokform. You open up the little magnetic door and you'll kind of see what's inside. It's a portable MagSafe charging stand. It also includes a USB-C to USB-C cable and an operations manual. It is USB-C fast charging, so it'll charge up to 15 watts. And the stand is fully adjustable so you can get the perfect angle, whether it's portrait or landscape. And it's a lightweight, low profile design. So open it up here and you'll see the little manual. So we'll go over most of what's in this manual today, how to use the wireless charging stand. And a little thank you card from our team. We have a small team based here in Southern California, and we really appreciate your business and all the referrals. We would not be here without you, so thank you very much. This is the stand. So we'll just pull it out of the box, and you'll see it's got a nice soft face here, so where it attaches to your phone, where there's our extra strength MagMax magnets here. So this is compatible with any MagSafe compatible phone or case. So you don't have to use our case to use this, but if you do use our case, you're going to get a little bit of extra strength because our cases also have extra strength magnets. Also comes with the USB-C to USB-C cable. And I'll show you how it works here. So all you do is attach it to your phone, and you can lift up the stand and also pull it out. So you can get really any angle that you want, whether you want a nice landscape mode for watching videos on a plane or next to your bedside table if you want to use your clock, or you can get a nice portrait mode. So if you're doing FaceTime or something like that, you can also use it for that. It also has a little magnet right here. So this magnet holds the stand closed. It does have a nice little bit of tension, but we put that magnet there so it just guarantees that that's always going to stay shut in case you decide to carry this around with you while you're not charging and always have a stand. So how you use it, very simple. All we're going to do is plug it in and it'll immediately start to charge your phone. So that's pretty much as easy as it gets, the new Rokform MagSafe wireless charging stand. So that's how to use the Rokform magnetic wireless charging stand.